Hi, I am Professor Laila Bidas. This is my book on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, I'll be giving you a brief insight into this new book on AI and ML, which has two co-authors, Professor Sudheesh George and Professor Anup Apre. Everyone is interested in AI, right from school kids to professionals. AI may be understood at a very superficial level in terms of the wonderful applications it gives. It may also be understood with a high level of mathematics. A lot of programming is normally involved in developing applications for it. This book that we have written is an elaborate and complete coverage of the most important topics in the field of artificial intelligence. However, we have made it a very easy to understand and user-friendly book. The field of AI is changing very fast and many applications will change with time. However, the basic concepts and algorithms will remain and their relevance will not be surpassed for a very long time. So learning has to start by acquiring a good grasp of the fundamentals. But without knowing where to apply these concepts, nothing can be gained. This book is meant to address these 2 points. Basic theory with a little bit of math plus applications is the approach we have used in preparing the contents. Python is the language used for developing all applications. The approach followed by me in writing as well as in my teaching has been to make any topic easy to understand while retaining the depth and gravity of the topic. What has been my inspiration to write? It is the enthusiasm expressed by my students. Talking with some of them gave me the desire to learn more so that I could motivate them to go to higher levels, and they never disappointed me. What are the topics covered in this book? The book starts with an introduction as to how AI has made possible the prospect of developing a self-driving car. And then most of the important topics in the field of AI and ML have been covered in the book. See the 5 parts of this book. For anyone, right from a student to a professional, this book will give you an easy and thorough entry into the field of AI and ML. What I can tell you about the book is that it is simple, it is interesting, it covers a lot of depth. I invite you all to try it out.